Hi.
Hello, we're MossCharmly.
And this video is going to be about unboxing the Huion Kamvas Pro 24 4K, right?
Yes, 24-inch 4K tablet.
There it is. Right there for artists.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So,
okay,
how'd it go?
It was extremely exciting getting this tablet. Not gonna lie.
Mm-hmm. It really was.
Okay, the box was heavy and awkward, and taking the tablet out of the box, the shipping box was awkward, and also taking the tablet out of the regular box itself was awkward.
There's definitely a reason why when you look at the YouTube channels, there's nobody recording the unboxing process. There's an actual reason. You really can't.
You have to. It helps to have two people to take it out of the box, or you have to cut it out.
Yeah, like a banana. You got to peel it off like a banana. Get in there because it's so how the box is. It's kind of got that. It's just heavy, and you don't want to break it because it's precious.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It really is wonderful.
It is.
But I will definitely say that it is very protected in that packing box.
Yes, the styrofoam just was covered everything.
Yeah, just fully encapsulated. Like we got one that had, obvious damage on the exterior box. It was definitely dented, or it had like kind of a denty scuff.
Yeah,
and you're like, okay, great. We're probably gonna have to return that, right?
We were so nervous about we might have to return it, and it would have been disappointing, especially with how expensive it is.
Yeah, but it was wonderful. It was
we didn't have to.
No, not at all. So it was really cool. We opened it up, and it's fully encapsulated in foam completely, and the box that it was actually the packing box, had the scuff like I was saying, but then the actual box the tablet was in was scuffed up too. So we're like, okay, what's gonna happen? Nothing. Pulled it out. Everything was pristine. Absolutely awesome. It's obvious that thing is completely well packed, when you take it out. So it's very secure if you're worried about transport. Yeah.
This thing, it has ports all on the top and the side.
It's got two USBs on the side and then a headphone jack, which is good.
Yes.
So yeah. And then on the top, you've got the HDMI, you've got the power, you've got USB-C, you've got HDMI, and then you have you've got the HDMI, USB-C, power, and another HDMI, I think, or no, whatever. It's there.
Yeah, but we bought we bought a USB to USB-C cable, 2 meters, a Huion cable.
Yeah.
And that helped it because we eventually got an arm for it, and
you need that.
It works fantastic with an arm. So that was an awesome purchase.
Very much.
That was wonderful.
But the legs it comes with when we put it down on that table, right?
Yeah, there was nothing wrong with that. Actually, the legs were fantastic. We used it for a long time with just the legs.
Yeah,
it just was an added super bonus.
Yeah, when you put it on the arm.
When you put it on the arm, it's incredible.
Yeah. It's 100 by 100. Yeah, it was awesome. So now it's completely different.
So here's what else it came with in the box. It came with a box that had the little
stuff.
Yeah.
The accessories.
Yeah, it had a little pen holder. I call it the donut. And it has a lot of nibs inside of it, so you can replace them.
It has felt nibs, doesn't it?
Yeah, felt nibs.
Yeah. Those are really nice.
Yeah, so
different tactile feel on that screen. That screen is really nice texture as well. So, sorry.
Yeah. It also has it comes with a cleaning cloth and a little quick start guide booklet. It comes with an HDMI cable. It comes with a lot of other little cables too. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable. It comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable. And it has power cable and a power adapter, all the things you need. Plus it comes with that cool glove, little artist glove, so you can feel super fantastic.
It does help.
Yeah.
It comes with the keypad is really the major addition.
Yes, the little knob.
Was it K100 or something?
I
think is it the
KD100?
KD100.
Yes,
there
wireless express keys.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah, I really like it. You know, it's the tactile, feel is there. It's not the most, you pick something up and you say, oh, it's kind of light and it's kind of flimsy, but it's actually very durable.
It's fantastic.
You drop it, it's fine. Really? No, really.
We
right?
tested by dropping it here.
Well, it wasn't non-intentional. It was totally awesome, So yeah, and the key dial works great if you want to zoom in to your illustration, or you want to just change the pen size, because we're using Clip Studio, so it was just it was intuitive.
Yes,
so, for both right and left, because I'm right.
Yes, and I'm left-handed.
Exactly. So it was really nice to have that option. So yeah, and the pen is awesome too. That was an interesting kind of like, wow.
Okay, this was the one thing I wasn't sure the pen was going to be, great. I was really nervous because it was lighter than the pen we were used to using. So in my mind, anything with weight was expensive and good and not breakable. But then you feel the weight of an actual pen and think, this is actually kind of like that. It's pretty well made. And there's really nothing wrong with this. Mm-mm. It's, I was just nervous about it and leering at this to see if anything might go wrong. But it doesn't. And everything exceeds my expectations. So
it did.
I thought it was too good to be true. Mm-hmm. And it just really, it really just was great. It's funny when you buy something wonderful and expensive and amazing and
it works out.
Yeah, it works out. Like it's sitting in the other room and you think, oh, you're just waiting for it to just either explode or break down for no apparent reason. Yeah, right? Will the tablet itself like it here?
It does.
It's its new home, and it's just wonderful, and it's actually a purchase I'm really grateful we made.
Yeah, I think it's actually an excellent tool to have if you can afford it. It is much less than a Wacom, but I will say that, this screen is absolutely amazing.
Oh,
I have to say that was the big thing where we turned it on and it's like, whoa, it was incredibly bright, almost too bright in many ways for me. And we brought that brightness down, and, it is, 4K, and it is, HDR, and it's an amazing screen, period.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
I agree with that.
It was wonderful, so.
Yeah, the whole thing is just, it's just so good. It feels well made. Mm-hmm. There's weight to the tablet itself, so there's
you
to
can
it.
work out with that thing, actually.
I wouldn't recommend it,
wow,
but you could.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And when we first... We got it. We felt like we had to be gentle because it was just new and
don't want to break it,
and expensive.
Yeah,
but it's our new drawing precious, and we love it.
We love it. First impressions. This is an amazing piece of tech for an artist. Definitely enjoying it. Definitely, we're going to do some more reviews on this, in like a little bit. We're definitely going to have our initial reviews, which will be, working on it for quite a while. And we'll do one pretty much right away. But then we're going to do some more reviews on a month. But I'll tell you, as of yet, if anything major goes wrong with this, that would be the only downside presently. But honestly, at first, glance, this is pretty awesome.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's like drawing on it. It just made me so happy. I honestly cried. Mm-hmm. I love the size of the tablet and how big you can work. Because I'm used to drawing on large paper tablets that are 18 inches by 24 inches. So for me, it's home, but electronically.
Yeah, right.
So you really feel like you can move the pen around, and it's extremely responsive.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so it's... I was also just really nervous because we use 2 different Macs. And we just weren't sure if it would work well with either.
And they're both M1s.
Yeah.
So,
and they both work fantastically.
Not even a single hiccup.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's awesome.
Yes. So, MossCharmly, we recommend this tablet.
We definitely do. And we'll let you know how it goes in further videos. Thank you. And please like and subscribe and do all the, YouTube things that we would love. Because, thank you.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.